Imagine a world where your documents practically write themselves, extract crucial data in seconds, and are optimized for success before you even send them. That world is here, thanks to PandaDoc AI, and today we're diving deep into how it can revolutionize your document creation and management. First, let's talk about generating content ever stared at a blank page, unsure where to begin. PandaDoc AI acts as your intelligent co-pilot. Simply provide a few key prompts, like the purpose of your document, your target audience, or essential details, and watch as the AI crafts compelling drafts. You can guide the AI, refining its suggestions, adding your unique voice, or specifying the tone. It's about collaboration, not replacement, ensuring your documents are perfectly aligned with your brand and message. Next, let's unlock the power of data extraction. Manually sifting through contracts, invoices, or proposals to find specific information is a tedious task. PandaDoc AI intelligently scans your documents and identifies key data points like dates, names, amounts, and terms. This extracted data can then be automatically populated into other documents, used for reporting, or fed into your CRM, saving you immense time and minimizing errors. But PandaDoc AI doesn't stop at generation and extraction. It also optimizes your documents for better outcomes. The AI analyzes your content and provides actionable insights. It might suggest more persuasive language for your proposals, ensure all necessary clauses are included in contracts, or highlight areas that could be clearer for your clients. This means your documents are not just created efficiently, but they're also equipped to achieve your business goals, whether that's closing more deals, reducing legal risks, or improving client satisfaction. Transform your entire document workflow from a chore into a strategic advantage. Embrace the future of document management with PandaDoc AI, a in-business document automation.